Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude to write your cover letters and revise your resumes in an expert fashion. So let's get started. I'm going to go to Indeed right here and I'm just going to click on a random job posting. So let's say here, researcher, work from home with this job description. So let's say I'm going to just copy this job description right here and paste it in here. But before that, I'm going to write a quick prompt. So write a cover letter tailored to this job description. There we go. Now I'm going to hit enter. And this is what I was thinking was going to happen. So one neat thing that Claude does is when it lacks specific context for a task, it will ask you for your input and it will tailor a response keeping that context in mind. So here's the finished cover letter. As you can see, there are some placeholders which we can edit very easily by asking Claude to edit that for us. So can you tailor the cover letter with my specific information? Feel free to ask anything that is needed. So here we go. As you can see, the prompt box has changed, sort of like from a text field to something with some options. What's your name? I'll type it below. And I'll say John Smith. My email is going to be johnsmith@gmail, and my LinkedIn/portfolio is going to be linkedin.com/u/John Smith. There we go. What's your relevant background? Going to choose mix of academic and work. And what's your strongest selling point? I think it's going to be speed and ability to work under pressure. It's going to ask a few more focused questions. Again, what roles job have researcher investigate in these roles? So let's say I was a technical writer and researcher. Hit enter. Nope. Can you think of a specific moment where you worked fast? No. I'll just keep it general. So now it's going to rewrite that same cover letter and it's going to tailor in the details that we provided it with. So writing your cover letters with AI assistance can actually give you an edge above other applicants because many of the big corporations also use AI to filter through resumes and cover letters to speed things up. And writing your cover letter with AI tends to help give your resume and cover letter higher chances of standing out because it gets to sort of trip the flags that indicate that you are a good candidate for it. So here we go. Here's our finished product. It's changed the name with what I've provided it with. It's integrated the information we fed it very seamlessly. So another thing that we can also do is to help it improve our resume. For example, we have a few resume bullet points that we want to place in our resume, but we aren't exactly sure how to phrase it. So let's say rewrite this resume bullet point to be more achievement focused with a metric if possible. So let's say responsible for social media accounts. Going to hit enter and send, and it's going to improve that. So here we go. Do you have any numbers to work with? For example, follower growth. Let's say follower growth over 4 months increased by 220%. Just throwing random numbers at it, but ideally you would want to provide it with information that is actually correct or true in your case. So I'll just use that. And what else did it ask? Engagement, etc. If you share whatever you remember, even rough figures, I can build a compelling bullet around it. So there we go. I'll just feed it that information. And here is the resume bullets it's provided us with. The most punchy, emphasis on speed, and more specific / formal. The more specific, a quick general tip is that the more specific your job description and experience details, the better Claude will be able to tailor the output. So don't be afraid to sort of go back and forth with it. Like I showed earlier, you can ask it to ask you questions that it might deem appropriate or important, or you can also be a step ahead and provide information that you think is relevant and should be on whatever cover letter or resume you ask it to make for you. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.